As a radiologist, you're a key part of the multidisciplinary team, and it's your job to bring the images that you've worked up as part of the study to the rest of the team and explain them. And if you have to take these images and cut them out and make them into slides and put them into a presentation, that takes a lot of time. It can be a lot easier if you can just bring your PACS workstation into the room, hook it up to a projector, and show people the stuff live. So we provide the tool Conference CloneView that lets you do just that. It's quite easy to set up. You simply take the cable from the projector, plug that into the same graphics card that's driving the displays here, and then go into the Barco system settings, and in the Conference CloneView section, you can add a clone of one display or two displays or three displays to the projector. So let's do an example. So I've got here these displays. I want to know which ones they are. I go up here and I say identify the displays. So this one is number 1, this one is number 2. So if I were to just turn on number 1, then only one screen would go there. But I'm going to actually turn on number 1 and number 2 together, and now I get both screens on there at the same time. Okay, now, in this case, I want to show people this lung nodule on the current, but also how it appears on the prior. And it's very clear on my screen, but on the projector, the image won't be quite so clear. Maybe the projector is old, maybe it's a little bit dim. So what we have is the ability to go over to the projected image, and you can zoom into this until this is clear enough to people to be able to see that. And of course, the different screens can be zoomed enough so that someone in the audience can see this. So with that, you have the ability to collaborate with your colleagues and really take a minimum of time in preparing for it. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.